everybody, welcome back. If you just joined us one more time, this is Rhythm 93.7, the number one hit music radio station. And I've got friends in the studio still. We're talking all about music this morning. I've got Don G, we just listened to his music, and of course Bobo Omar as well, all the way from Jamaica. They were here for a collaboration, so I just had to pull them in the studio to have conversations with them about, their experience, their music, and other things related. Good morning, Don G. Good to have you in the studio.
Greetings and blessings, Baker. Thanks for having me on the Rhythm 93.7 FM Lagos, Nigeria. It's a pleasure, you know what I mean?
Fantastic. I'd love to learn this this accent. I love it. Bobo, how you doing?
Yeah, man, blessed. Rastafari.
Nice.
Give thanks.
Okay, so good to have you in the studio one more time. Let's talk about your experience first, even before we jump into your music. I mean, so you came all the way from Jamaica for collaboration. I mean, did you enjoy it?
Yes, we actually enjoyed the celebration. It was a great experience for me. Actually I flew in from Europe. So I flew in from Europe last week, and I performed at the celebration at the Shrine on the 13th, and on Saturday at the Freedom Park. You know what I mean? So it was a good feeling, and a great reception from both of the shows. You know what I mean? Celebrating the great Fela Kuti, you know what I mean? So it's a pleasure for me being here in the motherland in a physical form, you know what I mean? Even though I'm from here, from spirit, but it's my first time on the soil and the motherland, you know what I mean?
Nice one.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Okay, so let's talk about your music. I know that you've got an EP out there right now. It's called You Reap What You Sow?
Yes. Reap What You Sow consists of 4 tracks: Mother's Cry, you know what I mean, In a Jam Down, Nah Give Up, Who I Am. So it's a EP what typically define what's going on in the society right now and where I'm from in Jamaica. It's more like a educational tool, you know what I mean? It's a nice put together EP that we released in 2019, you know what I mean?
2019?
Yeah, 2019. So once can get it on all the digital platforms. You reap what you sow, and it's a universal order, It means like anything you put inside, that what you receive. Anything you send out there in the atmosphere, you will receive it,
It's all about energy.
Yes, exactly, and it's only positive energy. Love is the solution.
I like that. I love it.
We are living in a world that you can't go around that. So you have to speak about what you see going on in the society. And as a musician, you're just like a politician, not directly. You're not in politics. You are against the injustice and stuff like that. So you are the voice of the people, and you also have to lead the people, because music is influence, whether it's good or bad, so you have to know what you project, and at the same time word sound is power, you know what I mean? So that what's typical Danji about, and what we project out there in the atmosphere. Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about your other song, We Need a Change, right?
Yes.
So I like the fact that you just talked about, having a voice, speaking out for the people. But this song, was it targeted for
there
something?
you go, and you're so on point, because as you see the title of the song, We Need a Change, and the time that we're living in right now, we all need a change. I travel the world, and when I travel the world and I see different things, many catastrophes and stuff like that. Look what's going on in Israel.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's there in front of us, so we have to speak about it and try to justify this stuff. So We Need a Change is also a universal song that anyone can relate to. Yes.
Alright, tell you what, let's listen to the jam. When we get back, we'll do some more talking. Alright, I was hoping you were going to say Israel Hamas, but I didn't want to. I wanted you to talk about it yourself.
Yeah, man, we can't say it's not.
say
Pull up, and they're gonna love you.
Alright.
Try it. Pull
So
up.
as I'm coming in, I'll do it. Pull up.
And start from the top. You think Jamaica. The song is nice. Say pull up. And just play it from the top.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll do pull up, right? I'll come into the music, and then we'll wrap up this side of the interview because it's time for the DJ.
Yeah, man.
When you tell us where we can stream the music and also videos.
No problem. No problem. But I'm teaching us something in the future. Something that's not done. I said pull up. I'm going to the Jamaican brothers.
Are you going to the chords here?
I'm trying to tonight. I'm going to try to do
There's a number of places you can go.
Weekend vibe, man.
Yeah. I got you. Thank you. It's the time. What I'm going to do is I'll leave the song in the background.
Yes. And you put the sing over it.
You can sing over it.
Yeah.
Pull up. Alright guys, you're welcome back. We need a change. That's music from Don G. He's our very special guest all the way from New York. Of course, he's Jamaican, and we're talking all about his music. Don G, really quickly, because of our time, let's talk about where we can find the music on social media.
Yes, well, you can find Danji on Amazon, Spotify to purchase my music, Apple Music, you know. But if you wanna follow Danji, you can follow Danji at Danji Music, right? And that's Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and it's spelled DONGMUZIK. That's for all my digital platforms. You can also Google it also. And for bookings, you know, 13 Records. Yes, I.
Alright.
13 Records 13 at gmail.com. And you do the bookings. Danji, live and direct in Africa, the motherland. Thanks for having me once more.
Thank you for stopping by.
Blessed love. It's a pleasure. Thank you, Baker. Blessings.
Well, also, thank you so much for stopping
Yeah,
by.
man. Thank you for thanking me. Nigeria. Danji to the world. Rastafari.